case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 2016 case of Schindler Elevator Corp v. Tully Construction Company, heard by the New York Supreme Court Appellate Division, the court focused on the importance of strictly adhering to notice requirements in contracts with serious consequences for failure to comply. The plaintiff sued the defendant for damages incurred from the late construction of a garage. The defendant argued that the plaintiff failed to comply with the contractual notice requirement when claiming delay damages. The lower court initially ruled in favor of the plaintiff, ordering the defendant to pay monetary compensation for the delay. However, the Supreme Court reversed the decision on appeal, finding that the plaintiff failed to strictly comply with the contractual notice requirement, thereby waiving their claim. As a result, the appeal from the judgment was sustained, the judgment reversed, the complaint dismissed, and the defendant awarded one bill of costs.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.